How to use dual SIM on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use dual SIM on your iPhone. So without ado, let's dive right into it. So dual SIM is actually supported in iPhone XS or later models. So if you have two SIMs, you can simply put it in your SIM slots. Or if you don't have two SIM slots, what you can do is you can head over to your settings. On your settings, there you'll find your mobile services or your cellular services, mobile services. There, if you scroll down, you will find an option that says Add eSIM. So simply tap on Add eSIM, and from here you can add your eSIM. And after you've setting up your eSIM, you're basically good to go. And that's basically how you can use dual SIM on your iPhone. And that's today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.